Okay, so this is the little switch box I made. I'll just show you what it looks like from the front. And we've just configured it up in Truck Sim, and I'll show you what we've got working. So first off, ignition on, and secondly, start the truck. So that all works. Wipers on intermittent, wipers on low, wipers on high, wipers back on low, wipers back on intermittent, and wipers off. Park brake, see the park brake activate on the screen. Trailer brake I can't show you. Diff lock, see the little diff lock light up on the dash, and it also lights up on the front panel here to tell you diff lock's lit up. We've also got axle cab. I don't have that feature installed, but you see the light lights up. Axle trailer, beacon light, again I don't have a beacon light so I can't show you that, but I can show you the flashes. So they work. I can blow the horn. I have a trailer attach button. What else have we got? So let's go outside the truck for a minute and spin the truck around. And then we have headlights on parkers, headlights on low beam, and headlights on high beam. So turn off the headlights. So it just works like a normal headlight. Parkers, high beam, sorry, low beam, then high beam, and then I can go back to parkers and off. Go back inside the truck again. Oh, sorry, I've got the internal view button set. So what do we want to do here? Cruise control I can't set you until we're actually moving. So we've got 4 encoders. The retard control, I've got to spin the steering wheel around here so you can't really see it, but it is actually moving down at the very, very bottom. We've got an encoder for the dash modes. I don't know if we can see that. If I move the dash codes, dash 1 it moves. If I move it to GPS, I can switch GPS modes through the encoder. Like I said, if I'm, where are we going here? Go outside view, any view, immediately press this button here, it takes me back to the inside view. Radio, hit the radio, pick my station, press play, cancel that back, wait for the radio to start. I think the radio is playing and the volume's low, so I turn up the volume. I can turn down the radio. Back up. I said retard, cruise set. The brightness of the LEDs is controllable. So you'll see it lights up, there's a dim, and they'll gradually get brighter. So you set your desired brightness that you want on the LEDs. and when I'm finished playing I turn off my truck. Okay, I think that just about does it. Thank you. Bye.